Hints on hammer-on. Good hammer-on techniques are all about the precision of your hammering finger. One hint is to keep the hammer-on close to the fret, which will make the note ring out easier. Also, experiment a little bit by rotating your fretting hand around to find a solid supporting point for the hammer-on motion. So start practicing slowly and focus on building a precise movement. Try to make sure that you're always hammering onto the same spot, like this. In the beginning, it's totally normal that your hammer-on notes are a lot quieter than the notes you pick before them, and you may have to hit the string quite hard to make the hammer-on sound. As you practice more, you will build up a better technique and your fingers will get stronger, making your hammer-on sound louder day by day. So keep on practicing and you'll see great progress faster than you think.